program. So we were founded in 1985. We were actually founded as part of the Forest Service. We were a group or arm within the Forest Service here in the United States. We were originally designed to mitigate the impact of three-wheeled ATVs back years and years ago. In 1990, we were broken off into a nonprofit organization. The reason for breaking us off into a nonprofit is the government could not work directly with organizations like BRP. So we were broken off and separated from the Forest Service for that. Our focus is motorized recreation on land, water, and snow. Our kind of where we start would be at e-bikes, and we go all the way up to full-size vehicles and everything that's in between in that range. We lead an initiative to promote responsible use of motorized vehicles for outdoor recreation. And again, the idea of that is sustainability so that we can keep doing that for the future. We are really an organization that is designed to protect the playground. That's really what we're here for. We're headquartered in Salt Lake City. Again, in my mind, I lived there for 5.5 years. Pretty amazing playground for all forms of power sports. We have team members all across the U.S., Pennsylvania, South Carolina, Wyoming, Utah, Nevada, Arizona, and California, some of the key locations for outdoor motorized recreation. I'm also happy to announce that as of last week, we have a new person in Michigan as well. So we've continued to expand our reach. In the last 2.5 years, we have gone from 7 team members, full-time team members, to 15 full-time team members. We recognize the need to protect the playgrounds, and we've expanded to meet those as well.